In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canvas in Obsidian. Canvas in Obsidian lets you visually organize notes, ideas, images, and connections on an infinite workspace, which makes it great for brainstorming, planning projects, and mapping relationships between concepts. Start by opening your vault in Obsidian. This ensures you're working with your existing notes and attachments. With your vault open, create a new canvas. You can do this from the left sidebar by choosing Create New Canvas, or by opening the command menu and selecting the same option. A blank, boundless board will appear, ready to hold your ideas. Now begin adding content to the canvas. You can place notes you've already written, create text cards for quick thoughts, drop in images for visual context, or add links you want to reference. Text cards are perfect for headlines, summaries, or to-dos. Existing notes are great when you've got detailed content you want to keep connected, but not duplicated. Images help anchor the board visually, and links point you to resources without cluttering the space. Once items are on the canvas, arrange them by dragging and dropping. Give yourself room to breathe. Spread out related clusters. Leave white space between sections. And keep the most important elements where your eye naturally lands. You can zoom and pan to get comfortable with the layout as it grows. Think of this as organizing a physical desk. Group similar ideas, separate different themes, and let the structure reflect your thinking. To show how ideas relate, connect cards with lines. Click a card and drag a connector to another card to draw a line between them. These lines act like visual sentences. They help you explain why one idea supports, depends on, or contrasts with another. Use them to trace workflows, outline story arcs, or map research topics. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Connections can be adjusted as your understanding gets clearer. As you work, your canvas will evolve. Obsidian saves your changes automatically, so you can focus on thinking rather than managing files. Return to the canvas whenever you gather new insights. Add more notes, refine the layout, and strengthen connections to keep your ideas up to date. Over time, the canvas becomes a living map of your project or subject, balancing detail with big picture clarity. That's the core workflow. Open your vault, create a canvas, add content, arrange it visually, connect ideas, and keep building as you go. Let's dive in and start shaping your thoughts into a clear, connected picture.